Space and space-enabled technology underpins our daily lives almost everywhere around the world. But it's a challenging, congested, and competitive domain. Most of the hazards are environmental, including space weather, radiation, and meteoroid showers. Some hazards are man-made: space debris, satellite collisions, and human error. We also face threats from adversaries, hostile actors, and competitors as they seek to maximize their advantage in space. It is UK Space Command's mission to protect and defend UK and allied interests in, from, and to space. As well as affecting our daily lives, satellites and systems in space underpin most UK military operations. Any disruption to our ability to access and use space and space-enabled technology could lead to significant consequences for everyone, including UK defence. Space isn't new to defence. The UK has been operating in space since 1969. But UK Space Command was formed in April 2021. It brings together three functions from a single military command, delivering day-to-day space operations, growing and training Defence's space workforce, and developing and delivering space equipment programs for Defence. UK Space Command is a joint command staffed by personnel from the Royal Navy, British Army, and Royal Air Force alongside civil servants and contractors. We control RAF Fylingdales, an advanced space radar in North Yorkshire, and the UK Space Operations Centre at RAF High Wycombe. Our teams monitor space 24/7, 365 days a year. Since our formation in 2021, UK Space Command is rapidly growing as we take responsibility for capabilities in space that enable global military operations. In space, collaboration with international partners is key. UK Space Command works closely with the UK's partner nations in the Combined Space Operations Initiative, Five Eyes, NATO, and other bilateral and multilateral relationships worldwide. The command also contributes to the US-led Space Coalition under Operation Olympic Defender, including operational-level space command and control, missile warning, and increased space domain awareness. Working alongside our allies and partners around the world, UK Space Command is at the forefront of activity to make space safe, secure, and sustainable for all generations.